that's all you need. A simple breakfast recipe. Tortilla quiche is coming your way. Easy and delicious. Start your day the Buzz Cooks way. Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to make breakfast simple and delicious every day. Yeah.
All right, let's get cooking right into this breakfast quiche tortilla, one pan breakfast. Holy moly, it's amazing. All right, I'm going with green onion, artichoke hearts, bacon, spinach, mushrooms. You can use whatever you like. This is just what I'm going with. And we're going to get them all chopped up, just like you see here. Then we're going to put all these into a large mixing bowl. And we're going to put 4 eggs into the mixing bowl and get our whisk. And we're going to whisk all this up real good. Make sure the eggs and everything gets air into it and mixed up well. Oh, I forgot. We're also going to put a handful of mozzarella and a handful of cheddar cheese shredded into this as well. So, while I'm doing all that, please do me a favor. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family about the show. New one comes out every Wednesday and every Sunday. Hit that bell to be updated on the newest ones that come out. I appreciate it, y'all, very much. So we're getting everything in there. Now we're going to put those eggs in there. And it's amazing how with the one flour tortilla on the bottom, instead of building a pie crust, it's lighter. It's not as heavy with the crust, and it holds its shape perfectly. So you're going to need a frying pan that's about a 10-inch frying pan that is oven safe, non-stick, would work the best if you got one. Otherwise, you can use stainless steel, but just make sure that your tortilla, nothing leaks over the sides, because we don't want anything to stick. So we got our cheeses in there now. Now we're going to get it with our whisk, and we're going to get busy whisking. And I got my oven preheated to 375 degrees. So once we finish whisking all this together, we got our pan. We layered our tortilla on the bottom, and it's perfect because you want a large tortilla. You want the edges to just kind of bow up a little bit, kind of making a little boundary to keep everything in place. You can see right there. Now we'll just pour our mixture on top. We'll get our spatula, and we'll spread everything evenly up to the edge of the tortilla. Try not to go over, because you don't want anything going over and getting stuck. So this will work perfect. Just kind of gently flatten it out, push it all, make it nice and even. And then we're going to pop this in the oven. Mine took about 30 minutes to completely cook through. I did the old toothpick test, put it through. If it comes out clean, it's done. So I let it sit for a minute, put it on the cutting board, got my pizza cutter out, cut it up. And I'm telling you, if you got to feed a lot of people, these work great. If you want a simple breakfast, these work great. It's so delicious, so simple. Make this. Everybody's going to love it. You can even do this for a brunch. Have your friends over for brunch, I'm telling you. Put this one on your list. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
That's all you need. A simple breakfast recipe. Tortilla quiche is coming your way. Easy and delicious. Start your day the Buzz Cooks